Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to connect your Android phone to the TV wirelessly and you're looking out how to do so today, we are going to guide you through some steps for that. So let's get started. So for that, you can just go over and ensure that first of all, both of the devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. So you can access the quick settings panel for that. And once you access your quick settings panel, you can look out for the Wi-Fi and ensure that both your TV and your mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi. And once you check it out, what we can do is we can use the cast or metering option from our Android phone. So you can look out for that within your quick setting panel itself. You can look out for the option of screencast, something like that. You can just go over and look out for that option or look out for this option of smart view. So go ahead and turn this option on right here. You can turn it on. And once you turn it on, you should be finding this screen right here. So from the available devices, what you need to do is you need to select up your TV. You can look out for the TV option from the list of available device that will appear and select your smart TV from the list. And a prompt may appear on your TV asking you to allow the connection. You just need to confirm it to start mirroring. And to disconnect, you can tap on the cast icon on your phone status bar and select the option of disconnect. And once you do so, it will disconnect itself. And that is how you basically connect your phone to TV wirelessly. This is one of the way possible, or you can even download the Google Home application and find the TVs nearby and tap on it and enter the code and connect it. But that's it. This is one of the simplest methods you can follow up to connect your Android phone to TV wirelessly. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.